this app, we decided to go with the design architectural decision of a client-server model. So this app, it allows you to look through restaurants in your local area based on your geolocation, and you can swipe left or swipe right based on whether or not you're interested in the restaurant. From there, you can then potentially visit the restaurant and have it added to your favorites list. So here we have the login page where we can enter a phone number. So I'm going to enter my phone number, and then we can click the submit button to start the login flow. Now we're going to get a verification code with the Twilio API. Okay, so the code is 051345. So now I'm going to click submit, and we're going to go through. And here we are. So this is the primary view. In this section, we can see all the restaurants, like I mentioned before, based on our geolocation that are near us. So we have set it to 20 miles radius. So these are restaurants that are within a 20-mile radius of us. So we can swipe left if we're not interested. We can also click these buttons and it'll swipe left for us. So let's say we're interested in this restaurant. We can swipe right, or we can click the heart button, but let's swipe right. Now that we've swiped right, we can then go to the favorites tab. And here in the favorites tab, we have all the restaurants that we may be interested in. So some things to note, just real quick, back at the home page, we can see the price points for all of these different restaurants, as well as the name and the rating. So back at the favorites tab, we see that, okay, have this restaurant favorite, we're interested in going. Now we have the address as well as the rating. So we can go and visit this restaurant and try out the food. Let's say we have gone to the restaurant and we've decided, okay, we've enjoyed it, but we may not want to go back. Maybe the food wasn't as good. We see it has 3.9, that's okay. But let's say we want to remove it from our favorites. So now we can click the X button. And as we can see, now it's removed from our favorites. Now onto the next view within the app. So now we're on the profile page. From here, we can log out, we can delete the profile, and we can also see our name as well as our phone number that is associated with this name. So if we click logout, we'll go back to the login page. If we delete profile, we're going to completely delete this account as well as all associated information like the favorites. So let's delete the profile. So now we just deleted the account associated with that phone number. So if we were to try to sign in with this same phone number and hit submit, it's going to show that the account doesn't exist because we just deleted it. So that's where we can go to the registers page and we can add in a new name, or any name really. So let's just add in a different name. So another teammate that we have on this project, we have John Huber. Now we can hit submit. And then from here, we're going to get a verification code from the Twilio API again. So we have 379810. And now we're logged back in. So again, we can go through the same functionality. Now in the favorites view, we also have the same information of what we've swiped right on. And here we have the profile page with the new user that was just created. We can log back out. View of the app. So now we're going to add in a phone number that does not exist. So we see this account does not exist. So let me log back into my account. We're going to go through the same login flow. So 270-291. And here we are logged back in. Again, it's the same user, John Huber. And we have the same functionality. We can swipe left. Let's say we want to go to this one, this restaurant, because it has a good rating and that burger looks pretty nice. Now we can see the two restaurants here. And now from here we can do the same functionality. We can log out or delete the profile. So let's delete the profile once more. Register because the account does not exist. And we're going to go through the same process. And here we are, log back into the new user that was just created. As we can see in the favorites page, this person has no favorites because the user was just created. It's a fresh account. And here we can see what we swipe right on, and we can remove it. And now it's gone. Now we can log back out. And that's it for the Hungrr app. Thank you.